GM and welcome to Coiners Recently. So in this video I'm going to show you how to interact with Nebula lending protocol. Right. So Nebula lending protocol is a lending protocol that is built on Nebula chain, right? And Nebula chain is a block one. It's a layer one blockchain. Sorry. So it's a layer one blockchain, and basically this testnet, what you need to be doing here, basically supply assets, as you can see, to earn 50 Nebula points, withdraw, borrow asset, repay, right? So this in total will give you 200. You have to be doing this every day. You have to do it every day. There's a leaderboard. Let me show you. As you can see, with time this leaderboard is going to be updated. As for now, from details from your moderators, this point is going to be updated very soon. So let's get into how to participate in this testnet. So first of all, you need to claim faucets. You come over here, you click faucet. I've already done that already. This is my address. Claim faucet. That's it. Then the next thing you want to do is to come over here. You can see this, right? To supply access. You click on the label. Alright. Let me refresh this to see my balance. Yeah, okay, you can see I have 17 Nebula test token. So what do we do here? Let's supply let's just say 9. Okay. Select any amount you want. So I'm putting transaction on my wallet extension -C, but I'm actually looking at it right here. So sign confirm transaction. Alright, as you can see, access applied successfully. Right. So over here, you can see what's the next thing. Withdraw assets, right? You could do it in any order. There's no particular order on how to do it. So let's just see borrow. Let's see borrow. Let's just see 7. I want to borrow 6. Let's borrow 6. Right. Click. Transaction on my wallet extension. Let's move from right. You can see borrow supplied successfully. So the next thing you want to do, you come over here, you see portfolio, you click on portfolio, right? Now you can see this supplied assets. You click this 3 dots here, you click on withdraw to withdraw, right? You have the protocol balance is 18. So let's withdraw it. And you click on it, withdraw assets. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. So transaction pending. I think I see assets withdrawn successful. So that's done. Now let's come over here. We borrow something initially, right? I can't remember the particular amount we borrowed. So let's just repay something with 7. Right, sign, confirm. Alright, accept repay. So that's done. Then the next thing you have to do, you have to interact with the Galaxy tax. You can see. You go over here. There's this other tax. This one has ended already, and there's this one here. So that's just it for it. Thanks for watching.